Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I received just now, or about 1 hour ago, an inquiry for an old Czechoslovak Tesla stereo amplifier, Tesla AZS 101. And I have looked around me, or I've looked in front of my listening room, and it was backside in one of the back rows. This old but pretty nice piece, produced in the past Czechoslovakia, late 70s, early 80s, if I remember it correctly, around the year 1978, 79, 80, 81. So it's more than 45 years old, if I count it correctly. In wooden cabinet with black. It's cold, so metal front panel. Yes, you can see here, you could see at the beginning of the video a small surface damage of the Tesla letters here, but control light works, and it works, but it was there at least 15 years, so the sound is not totally clear. The left channel sounds a little louder, but with the balance I can regulate it, and also you can hear some disturbing sound when I move the potentiometers. But never mind, for me, very nice old stereo amplifier, and I would like to comment stereo, so 5 watts per channel. 5 watts. So I will try to put the volume a little more up to show you what does it mean. 5 watts per channel. Once more, 5 watts, not 50, not 500, as you could see in my previous video. The little newer boxes, AEG, which I have bought only regarding the labels, where was 500 watts. So once more, stereo, 5 watts per channel, now connected with my old cables to my professional Dynacords, which I use for the testing here. 200 watts real power, Dynacords professional 15-inch bass speakers, together connected with these drivers, with these horn drivers. So let's try it and let's hear how it works. Once more, 5 watts per channel amplifier. The track number 3, this is the YouTube library music only regarding the copyright. Here. You hear the disturbing sound if I move it. Left channel, right channel. The left box is not so far as the right box from the camera, so at first you must hear the left channel louder, and but never mind, the right channel is little more weak than the left channel. Left channel is louder, I hear it here, but we have balance. So once more. Treble. Bass. Say I love the old amplifiers, and for me it's not important what's backside, if there is 5 watts, 10, 20, 50 5 watts per channel. I'm sorry that I'm repeating it and repeating. 5 watts. And as it is usual, this amplifier is for sale, and if the customer will not buy it, you can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Hi-Fi Amplifiers under my internal number. This is my phone here, under my internal number 179362. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. You receive some perks. You can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can also receive some free gifts from me. Some of them free shipping European Union, some of them without free shipping, the bigger ones. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.